All right, so final Frisbee golf lesson here. We'll start with a review. Start right with the backhand. We did it on day one. Little video of the backhand right here. And again, you use the backhand for all distances, but primarily you would use it for your tee shot or your long throws. And again, the technique you see is a straight backhand, same side, dominant side, forward, across your body, hold the Frisbee level, get a good release to get distance. Okay, we then talked about the push pass when you're really close to the hoop. And the key is that flick with the index finger at the end that puts that clockwise spin on it for a right-handed player that keeps the Frisbee level and on line with the throw. So that's the push pass. That's only when you're close. You're never going to get distance out of that. So that's the equivalent of putting in disc golf. Last class, we added the hammer throw. All right. And I've seen the hammer throw used in a number of situations outside already on our course. Throwing it over obstacles. I've seen kids using it to throw for distance. I've seen it used even short throws. And I've seen it used being thrown into a headwind. So again, you don't see this person stepping, but this is the overhead throwing pattern as well. Same way you would throw a baseball, softball, or even a football. Notice the angle of the Frisbee slightly toward the thrower's head so that the Frisbee flies and penetrates through the air at an angle and then eventually turns over upside down and lands pretty consistently and flat. All right, so today the new one is a forehand flick, okay? It is a similar grip to the hammer throw, and it is a sidearm throwing motion. I've already seen students using this technique, and this is not a great example of it, but you can see in essence that this throw is going to go pretty far. But the bottom line is I've seen students throw this upwards of almost 100 yards because of the way they throw it, their release, and when the Frisbee or disc hits the ground, it actually lands almost vertical and rolls additional yardage. And so kids that have gotten pretty good at this can really throw the Frisbee a great distance. All right, so this is the final lesson for Frisbee. And so good luck to all of you at home.